Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can save TikTok videos to your gallery. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to save TikTok videos to your gallery, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to find the video that you want to save to your gallery. You can either just search it up right here, or you can also just browse to find a video on your FYP. In my case, I will just find a video on my FYP. And once you've found the video, I will now show you how to save it to your gallery. So to do that, you just need to tap the share button on the video. And after tapping the share button, you will then be able to see the save video option right here. So just tap it to start saving the video to your gallery. And after that, the saving process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. The video will now be saved, so let's now check it on our gallery. And there it is guys, as you can see, the video has been successfully saved to my gallery. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.